Now, Dog is available on Cardano through a cross-chain integration enabled by Wanchain and FluidTokens. This integration supports seamless bridging between Solana and Cardano and introduces many DeFi and potential arbitrage opportunities. By tracking Dog's price across Raydium and Minswap, users can identify and act on cross-chain price discrepancies. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to take your Dog cross-chain. Let's jump straight in. Head over to bridge.wanchain.org. Once you're there, click Connect Wallet. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Phantom wallet, since that's where our Dog tokens are stored. Next, select Dog from your asset list. Now choose your destination chain. In our case, that's Cardano. Paste in your Cardano wallet address carefully. Double-check it. Always make sure you're sending to the correct wallet. Now enter the amount of Dog you want to bridge. Click Next, and you'll see the transaction summary, including fees. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm. Approve the transaction in your wallet, and that's it. Just sit tight for a few minutes. Once the transaction is complete, a confirmation will pop up. You can also verify the transaction using Wanchain's Blockchain Explorer. And if you ever want to send your Dog back from Cardano to Solana, it's the exact same process in reverse. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, drop a like, share it with your fellow Degens.